为什么离散数学是未来 STEM 精英的入场券？大家好，我是蛋蛋 ，Haddee Education 的创始人。今天我想和你分享一门决定无数学术和职场路径走向的课程——离散数学 （Discrete Math）。在 UC Berkeley， 所有想主修计算机科学 （CS） 的学生必须通过一门叫 CS70 的课程。它的核心正是离散数学。除了 CS， 它同样是数学、电子工程等专业的基础。因为在未来的 STEM 职业中，无论你做算法、AI、区块链、网络结构或者数据安全，背后的逻辑、图论、数论思维全部来自离散数学。为什么要在中学提前学呢？离散数学和中学数学最大的不同是它强调证明、抽象和推理。Common Core 教的更多是计算机技巧，但它很少真正锻炼学生的逻辑结构、归纳思维、反证、组合创新等能力，而这些恰恰是大学 CS 工程数学课程 Data Science 的基础语言。启蒙版的离散数学教什么呢？我们这门 Elementary Discrete Math 课程是为中学生精心设计，从零基础带学生进入大学逻辑世界。我们教命题逻辑、归纳法、数论、模运算、图论、最短路径、组合数学、抽屉原理。每节课都鼓励学生提问、表达、合作解题，真正理解数学是一种思维方式。授课老师是 UC Berkeley 理论数学与计算机科学双专业双学位的学生 Coach Liam。他到目前为止 GPA 是 4.0， 他是大4的学生。他从大1开始就成为 CS 离散数学的助教，教过大学生和高中生小班课，经验极其丰富。他拒绝了包括特斯拉在内的 AI 和量化公司多个 offer， 只为坚持传播数学之美。他说，离散数学不是教你怎么计算，而是教你怎么思考。离散数学是未来 STEM 精英的入场下午，越早接触小班越能在大学支持线上和线上，欢迎报名我们的 Elementary Discrete Math。如果学生要来现体发现教室美就在 UC Berkeley 下面校园附近。授课老师上课前需要用英文来介绍这门课程，主要以代数为主。谢谢大家，建议7年级及7年级以上的学生报名，特别适合未来想走 CS。
So just an introduction to myself, I am currently a senior at UC Berkeley studying pure math and computer science. So I discovered my love of math during high school when I self-taught myself probability theory, linear algebra, and proofs. So ever since then, my love of math has developed greatly. I hope to pursue a PhD in mathematics, specifically in computability theory in the future. So why am I teaching a course in discrete math? Discrete math is the first proof-based math class that students in math and computer science majors take in university. What distinguishes it from the previous math classes is that succeeding in it truly requires the development of problem-solving and creativity. In school math, for example, students are taught a list of formulas and procedures that they'll apply to the problem. School math problems typically don't require more than one way of thinking. In discrete math, a simple combinatorial identity has several solutions, all of which are very different. For example, I can prove it with a recurrence relation, induction, or even a combinatorial argument. Many students find that discrete math is truly the first place where they have to think creatively. It is also a glimpse into what real math looks like. I will be teaching with a whiteboard through examples. Examples are very important in mathematics, as they are the best way of communicating ideas. Logical thinking will also be very important. I want to emphasize exactly how I proceed to attack problems and hope this will be beneficial to the students. I will choose problems of appropriate difficulty, and I hope to teach the students how to maximize the utility of the information in a given problem and use this to tackle this problem. Practice will be incredibly important. Practice is where students develop those problem-solving skills that we talked about, and where students use a theory that they will learn in class. Both individual and collaborative work will be encouraged, with more difficult problems being done in groups. Communication will also be key. This will be developed through participation and talking to other students. The idea is that we hope to communicate in a way such that our mathematical understandings of the world can interact and align. There's no point in mathematics without communication of the results. Just to make sure students get enough practice, we'll be assigning short homework each week that will be graded and returned to the student. There will also be weekly quizzes after each lesson, just to make sure students understand the content of the day. There will be 2 exams, the midterm and final exam. These will not be meant to pressure the student in any way. They're just meant to show the student how they're doing in the class and how they can improve. I will be making this one of the most fun and interesting math classes that your student has ever taken. I want my students to learn, have fun, and make friends. I hope you consider enrolling your student in Discrete Math.